So I leave the country a lot, and of course in different countries they have different plugs. So one of the things I do is I bring adapters so that I can plug my electronic gear in. Now, a lot of the adapters they sell in drugstores have those little baggies that contain all the different adapters for the different countries. There's one for Great Britain, one for Europe, one for other parts of the world. So instead of using that, I use one of these things. Now this is it's a little cylindrical object. This one's made by Fujifilm. Got another one here made by Swiss Travel Products, and they're basically the same thing. What they do is they have, on the end here, you can see, you can plug in any type of plug, whether it's a Great Britain adapter, an American adapter, or what have you. And on the other end, it'll spit out whatever you'd like. Right here is, not sure what type this is. The European, or I can select, right here is Great Britain. So it'll take in US, Europe, Great Britain, and another type, I can't really recall what it is, and then spit it out any other type as well. So I can do American in to Great Britain out, or I can do Great Britain in to American out. Really a great adapter. You don't have to worry about the bags. I carry two of them because I have a lot of electronic devices in case one of them fails. They've even got a little, inside of them there's a little fuse to make sure you don't blow an adapter. Now, you don't typically need, for most people, you don't typically need a power converter. So Great Britain uses 50 hertz and the US uses 60 hertz. So if you try to plug one of those devices into another, you're going to have problems, most likely. Also, American uses 120 volts, Great Britain uses 240 or 220. That's usually typically taken care of by your power adapter converter. If you have a laptop charger, for instance, it will usually take from 120 to 240 or 50 or 60 hertz, and it will convert it over. So most of the devices that I have, and that most people carry these days, have these built-in DC to AC adapters that will automatically convert over. So you don't need to buy a transformer, they're called. You just need a plug adapter. Now, things like electric shavers, if it's a plug-in electric shaver, it will need a transformer, so be careful how you plug that into. But if you're using an electric shaver that has a charger instead of a direct plug-in, that will typically work as well. Be sure to check the adapter.